So if you want to replace blocks in Minecraft, first you need to get the chords of the two corners, like that's one corner and that's the other corner. So to get those chords, you write slash fill, then those are the chords of this corner. You copy them, go to the other one, same command, slash fill, you paste it, then you get these chords. Now you put the blocks you want them to get. Now you put the blocks you want, like stone, replace, then the blocks you want them to get replaced. For me, for my situation, that's dirt. That's it.